Windows 11 Home in S mode. In this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you how to get out of S mode, how to create a local admin account without using any kind of recovery environment and without changing anything in the BIOS, and mostly without giving any kind of real information out to Microsoft. Yes, we're going to create a throwaway temporary account. We're just going to play along with the installation, but as soon as we are in Windows and created our local account, we're going to remove this completely in seconds. So let's go. We're going to do this step by step. As soon as you open your brand new laptop, this is what you're going to see. After you select your location and language and keyboard, you can name your computer anything you want. I'm just going to hit skip for now. We're going to do that later on if you need to or want to. So we have no options but sign in. There is still a button in sign in options, but if this machine would be a Windows Pro, there could be a local account set up, but we don't have that. So let's create one. I'm going to enter a random brand new email address in here. Doesn't matter what you do. And uncheck this and just put the password in here. You're not going to need this password, but write it down just in case. Anything you can put in, it doesn't have to be your real name. I'm just going to set N and A, not available, and hit next. Date of birth, make sure you select something which is an adult, just in case. Add an email address. You can put anything in here. If you put any email address in here, that requires no confirmation. So it's not going to go anywhere. So you can put anything in it which sounds like a real email account, but doesn't have to be. Go solve the puzzle. We are humans, and create a PIN. You're not going to need this PIN, but I recommend to write it down just in case. But again, you're not going to need this PIN ever again. Set up this PC as a new PC. Once your desktop loads, go ahead and click on the Windows button or hit the Windows button on your keyboard and type name. Click on View Your PC Name. So as you can see, we are still in S mode, but not for too long. Go ahead and scroll down and select Product Key and Activation. Click on S mode and click on Open Store. Hit Get, and this will get us out of S mode. After a few seconds, you should see that we are no longer in S mode. All right, so go ahead and hit close, hit the X, and as you can see, now we have Windows 11 Home without S mode. Click on the search box and type Other Users. Add another account. I don't have the sign-in information. Add a user without a Microsoft account. And put any name in here, your name, your family name, anything you want. I'm just gonna go with local account. Click on local account and make sure you change the account type to administrator and hit OK. Go ahead and hit the Windows button again and click on the temporary account and hit sign out. Switch to a local account, hit sign in, and we are in as a local admin account without the online account. Any attempt for data collection, go ahead and turn it off. Go to the search bar and hit Other Users. Click on the temporary account and hit Remove, and delete the account and delete the data. And that's it. We are done. If you have any question regards of this setup, you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I see you in the next video. Scott's out.